5 seconds to go. Start. The condition regarding the payment of mortgage money as condition for transfer of property to seller must be embodied in sale deed itself. Every sale deed accompanied by agreement for reconvenience of property would not constitute mortgage by conditional sale. Late Shri Raj Kishore, the predecessor in interest of the plaintiff's appellants, owned jointly with his brother defendant respondent number 2 Shri Jugal Kishore agricultural land situation in different survey numbers of village Morasa, Tehsil Kurna in the state of Madhya Pradesh, in terms of a sale deed executed and registered on 6th July 1974 by Shri Raj Kishore, an extent of 14 bighas and 15 biswas of the land aforementioned from out of survey numbers 436, 439 and 441 was transferred to the defendant respondent number 1 for a sum of rupees 6,000 only. The plaintiff's case is the transfer was only by way of security for the repayment of rupees 6,000, which according to the plaintiff was taken only as a loan. The plaintiff's further case is that return of the loan autonomy and amount by the 6th July 1981 would result in the land in question being transferred back to the plaintiff, to which effect an agreement was also executed between the parties to the transaction on the 6th July 1974 itself. The plaintiff alleged that the possession of the land in question continued with him and defendant number 2 as agreed. It was also agreed between the parties that defendant number 1 shall not get the disputed land mutated in their name till 16th July 1981, the date by which the plaintiff could repay the amount of loan and secure the return of their land. The plaintiff further allocated and alleged that contrary to the agreement between the parties, defendant number 1 got a mutation regarding the land in question attested in his favor, although he had no right to do so in view of the specific stipulation contained in the agreement between the parties forbidding any such mutation. The plaintiff asserted that they had approached defendant number 1 several times to receive back the sum of rupees 6,000 borrowed from him and to get the land in question transferred back to them, but the said defendant had refused to do the needful. The plaintiff, in that backdrop, prayed for a decree for declaration to the effect that the sale deed executed by him in favor of defendant number 1 was void and ineffective, and that he continued to be in cultivating possession of the land as owner thereof. Defendant respondent number 1 contested the suit by filing a written statement in which denied the assertion that the sale deed in question was executed by way of security for repayment of any loan. It was also alleged that the defendant was in possession of the land in question ever since the execution of the sale deed, and that a mutation based on the sale deed had been attested in his favor. Defendant number 1 further alleged that he had made improvements over the land stock.